everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to create two types of habit trackers in level 1 and level 2, so be sure to watch till the end. Now let's start with level 1. Let's work with full width. Let's add the page name, which is Habit Tracker. Now let's add our database and line. Let's name this Habit Tracker and hide after. Now let's name the table. For this example, let's do Weekly Habit Tracker. Let's add an icon to make it better. Now let's start filling in the table. Let's name these tasks and add an icon. For this example, let's use 5 tasks. It's just very easy to add tasks. Just click on the new page and type in your preference. Now let's add an icon. Now let's work on the days. This one is very easy. Add a property and look for the checkbox. Next, let's rename this to the different days of the week. I like to use the abbreviation of each day. So here's what it looks like. Now let's create a button for this. The button will serve as a refresher if you want to start the week fresh, so you don't need to uncheck each manually. Let's type in the slash button and rename it as New Week. Let's also add an icon. Now go to New Action and click on the Edit Pages in. Click Select Database and look for your database title. Now let's add the property you want to refresh every time you click on the button. So now let's test it. Easy, right? If you just want to refresh the days without deleting the task names, just remove the tasks from the property you selected. And there you go. This is the simple way to create a habit tracker. This is level 1. Now let's do level 2. Here, we will use a simple formula in bar style. Add a property and look for formula. Let's rename this into progress and let's change the icon. Now go to Edit Property and Edit Formula. Here's where we will type the formula for our progress. Let's start with an open parenthesis and if. Select the day. Then click this sign. Then type true. Add comma. Add number 1. Add another comma and 0, then close parenthesis. This will be the format. You just need to replace the day inside. Don't worry if you have a hard time doing the format. I will comment it down on this video on my YouTube channel so you can just copy and paste it. Now let me do the remaining days. Actually, when I was just starting to work on formulas, I also had a hard time. But if you are doing it every day or consistently, you will get used to it. Now we're done. Let's save it. Go to Number Format. Select %. For the decimal places, I prefer it to be 0. Now let's set up the bar. Let's change the color. And now we are done. Let's try it. And it's working. There you go. Want more Notion tips and hacks? Be sure to follow my YouTube channel to stay updated. If you want this template, just comment Notion and I will send it to you. See you in my next video.